comfort zone a little bit here today. There's something going on with my car. I'm not sure. So while it's like idling, it's just shaking. So I reached out to Kevin's Cars. He suggested, have you switched out your spark plugs? No, I haven't. I don't know diddly dunk about cars, so this will be interesting. I'm gonna give it a go. He said it's fairly simple. So I'm headed to my local AutoZone, and I'm gonna pick up 4 spark plugs and some Sparkplug doohickey, and yeah, I'm gonna give it my best shot. I need this puppy to run tomorrow because I have to work. So fingers crossed. No judgment. Don't judge me on this one. Yeah, might be a plant lady. I don't talk cars, so this is definitely going to be a little walkthrough by Kevin's Cars, and yeah, I will keep you guys updated. I may or may not record myself doing it, but if I do, I will post it so that you guys can watch it, laugh at it, maybe learn something, because this is definitely a learning process for me. Never have I done this, so it should be interesting. All right, I'll get back to you. All right, guys, so I got 4 spark plugs, and already took the cover off. Still a little bit hot, but like I said, we're winging it, so let's get started. See how this goes. All right. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Got him. All right. Tighty lefty loosey matty. There we go. Alright, should be able to do this by hand. Not wanting to. Yeah. Well, these puppies are on there, aren't they? Doing this blindfolded? Maybe not. There we go. One. Okay. Alright. Those are off. Alright. Taking the bolts out. Per instruction. Yeah, future reference, don't touch that. It's hot. In my mind, I'm hitting the fast forward button like go to edit this video, definitely what I'm going to be doing during this is fast forward. Let's see. I did learn that these little rubber pieces right here, those can come off also. Not good. You just make sure you put it back on. Okay. All right. There's one. We are gonna set that over there because it's still hot. There's two. Three. And four. Okay. Let's take out the old one. I see it. Why is it not? Time to call Kevin. Okay. We got it. We got it. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Now, that is a little bit hot. Yes, it is. And just so you know, I put that back in there because I'm just trying to get it out. And it wasn't coming out. Okay. Boom. So, this is what they look like. It's very hot. Let's see. Oh no. Would you say this is a bad spark plug? Let's see if you can see it on the camera. I don't know. But regardless, they are getting switched out now. Ooh, yeah, look at that one. Yeah. I don't know what a bad spark plug looks like, but, you know. Again, shout out to Kevin Cars, because I would be like a fish out of water. Yeah, a fish out of water, I would be. Oh, okay. So, that's number 4. Alright. Time for the new ones. Okay, so let's compare. Okay, we're gonna slide that back in there. So, old, new, let's see. Alright, so okay, we're on. So, these puppies Gonna go right back on. These guys didn't come off like I saw in one of the videos, so that's groovy. Okay. Grab my screws and we'll button this baby up. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I didn't quite come out with my British accent like I was expecting to do, but certainly we changed some spark plugs. And I'm going to have y'all hang out and we're going to see if the car still shakes when it's idling. And I'll put that there because it's still hot. So heavy. Alright. Make sure I got these guys lined up. And they're going in the right one. Click. Much easier putting it back on. Just saying. Click. Click. And click. Alright. I'm going to turn it on and make sure it's all good. Well, I guess I could just put the bonnet back on because it's really quite simple. All right. Old gal. All right, which way does it go? This way. All right. Not gonna lie, it wasn't bad at all. It was kind of fun. And let's turn it on. I'm gonna end this video. Spark plugs are changed. I think there's something else going on, so I'll have to get to the bottom of that. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, or don't. Thanks guys.